Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to plot a professional FD/FTIR graph for your research article, step by step. By the end of this video, your final graph will look clean, publication ready, and journal standard just like the one you're seeing on the screen right now. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss research-based tutorials like this. If you're a student or researcher working on assignments, graphs, or papers, make sure to check my website AI Assignment Helper for expert academic support. Here we have Wavenumber on the x-axis and transmittance values of 5 different samples. To make the data more professional and easier to compare, we first convert these values into a normalized form, which is a standard practice in research publications. So select all transmittance values of the samples, right-click and choose Normalize. A new window will appear. Here, select the normalization method from 0 to 100. Although other options are available, 0 to 100 normalization is the most commonly used in professional research work. Make sure the output is set to New, then click OK. Now all FD/FTIR transmittance values are converted into normalized form, where the minimum value becomes 0 and the maximum becomes 100. You can plot the graph without normalization, but normalizing the data helps in better visualization and comparison, especially for journal articles. Next, select the Wavenumber column, press Ctrl on your keyboard, and then select all normalized columns. Now plot the graph either by clicking the line icon or by going to Plot Basic 2D Line. Your graph will appear. To make the graph look professional, double-click the y-axis. Go to Scale Vertical and set the range from -10 to 700. You may adjust this depending on your data. Then go to Line and Ticks, set major ticks to none and minor ticks to none. Now go back to Scale, choose Horizontal and set the range from 400 to 500, or 400, depending on your dataset. Click OK. Now click anywhere on the graph. A window will open. Select Layer Frame. This will create a box around the graph. Move the legend to the side and reduce its size. Next, select the existing y-axis title and press Delete. Double-click again on the y-axis and rename it as transmittance or absorbance, based on your data, and set the unit as arbitrary unit, AU. Then double-click the x-axis, rename it as Wavenumber, and add the unit cm superscript 1. Select the -1, go to the text options, and apply superscript to format it correctly. Now double-click on the blank area of the graph. In Layer Properties, go to the Stack tab, choose Individual, make sure Y is selected and click OK. Then select each layer one by one and drag them upward to properly stack the spectra. Click on any line and when the dialog appears, choose All EG2. So all layers are selected together. If you want to highlight specific peaks, go to Insert Straight Line, open dialog. Enter the peak positions you want to show, for example, 2150, 1400, and 880 cm superscript 1. You can add as many peak lines as required. Double-click any peak line to adjust line width or color. For example, increase the width or change the color to pink, then click OK. Repeat this for the remaining peak lines. To label the peaks, use the Text tool. Click near the peak and type the functional group name. You can adjust the font size, make it bold, or apply subscript/superscript as needed. Copy and paste the text to label other peaks, then edit each label accordingly. If you don't want the legend, simply select it and press Delete. Instead, label each spectrum directly on the graph using the Text tool. Make the x-axis and y-axis titles bold, and also bold the axis values for a clean, professional appearance. Now your graph is ready. To export it, right-click on the graph, copy graph as image. Select PNG format. Set the resolution to 600 dpi, which is ideal for journals, and click Copy. Open your Word document, paste the image, go to Picture format, and set the width to 10 centimeters for proper alignment. And that's it. This is how you can create a high-quality FD/FTIR graph for research articles and theses. If this video helped you, check out my website AI Assignment Helper for assignments, data analysis, graphs, and research support. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow.
Thanks for watching.